You know, when I left my full-time job, the very next day I decided to go to Kashmir and have those beautiful experiences like sledging, skiing, gondola ride, horse riding. And it was just, amazing. I can never forget those memories. So I'll take that Kashmir project and I'll explain you all of the things based on that. What's the first step that you do? The first step that you should do is to organize your data. That is really important. You should copy and make a proper folder and keep all the files in those folder. Like, for example, if you're shooting with the different cameras, just copy all those files in different cameras so that you have all the files sorted day-wise. Pick up a folder, and in that you create multiple folders day-wise, and in that you create different folders with the different cameras. So let me show you. So the first thing that you do is you create day 1, day 2, day 3. Let's say I'm creating only for 3 days, and in that I will create different folders with the different cameras. For example, I shot one with a DSLR, so I'll create DSLR, GoPro, and drone. Then what I will do is I'll copy all of the data in all those folders. So let's say these are 3 files from DSLR. So I'll just copy and paste it in the DSLR. That simple it is, and you will always be sorted at the end of the day.